All right, what is the biggest secret that I've learned since I joined LiveGood? Let's see, March of 2023. So I got about a year and a half underneath my little belt. And I'm not even wearing a belt. I don't even have pants on right now. Or do I? Half the time I have slippers on and boxer shorts. Or those little stretchy shorts you buy at Walmart for like $6 that, basketball players usually wear when they practice. Okay? What's the secret to being successful on LiveGood? I'm telling you straight up, and you're going to laugh. I think it's to be friendly, fun, be entertaining, and things kind of work its way out. It just kind of works its way out, and it works its way in and out and sideways. Okay? But I think over a period of time, you'll just get real comfortable being on camera or emailing people or just social media. All right. Can you social media to the max? I know you can. I have a lot of experience now in the social media thing, in the realm. I do a lot of email, an insane amount. Over 100,000 every 23 hours goes out. And all I do is write an email and click a few buttons. And it just takes care of itself. So if I have an email ready to go, which I can crank out a really good email rather fast now, I just put it in the old chute. What's a chute? It's just a little square box. And I put a subject in there like, are you sure? That's the subject of my email. Are you sure? Someone's going to open it up because they're not sure what I'm being unsure about. And why am I asking them? Surely they don't know. And their name's not even Shirley. But they open my darn emails because I can see with the email system that I use how many are sent, how many emails are opened, and how many people actually click the link inside the email. Okay? With being a little fun, a little mysterious, and writing people like they're actually friends or family, like really care about who you're recruiting to, or at least talking to people through email or social media, or maybe through a video like this, but actually care. And I really do, because most people that get a hold of me or they join, they become friends of mine. All right. I wish I could line up the thousands of people that have signed up in my programs or at least have emailed me. We've chatted on the phone. We've texted. We inboxed. I feel like I have a lot of real nice people that if I do meet them in their neck of the woods or they come here, that we get along, have an ice cold drink, and maybe have just something nice to eat. Okay. I like LiveGood. I got to admit, because it's social. And I'm entertained like a mofo by doing video and seeing what I can do to get an email to be opened. Can I use a funny ad or just something to make people just feel a little bit of laughter or joy? Because there's so much negativity out there. There's always going to be. It's just you're more exposed to it now because of cell phone activity. Who doesn't have a cell phone? When you go number 1 or 2 to the bathroom, I'm holding my phone trying to aim. When I'm doing number 2, I sit there so long reading my phone that I have a ring around my ass for like 6 hours after I stand up. Okay. I think it's fairly easy to reach out and touch someone. And I don't mean like in the old days where you get sued and go to jail. I just mean through an email. It's so affordable. Through social media. You have just web access, obviously, or some type of an account. Most people have a TikTok. Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, Threads. I don't even know if Threads is successful or not, but between Instagram and Facebook, it's just about the world. Okay, at the palm of your hands after you wash them, after you go number 1, 2. But you know what? You have to go number 1 before you go number 2. It's impossible to go number 2 before number 1 while you're doing it. Peace and love. Just try it. Try it. Go ahead. I'll film you right now. Hurry, though, because my video, I like to make mine about 5 to 10 minutes. And use baby wipes, Huggies. Cucumber, aloe vera are the best. Oh, my God, I could just wipe things, including my own bum, all day and all night with those things. Okay? I'm not kidding you, though. Please think about this. And I know you're probably not a comedy writer for SNL, or maybe you're shy. But you know what, guys? Think entertaining. Think being an entertainer Remember, people do want to be entertained and somehow have a pleasant time or a good time or one hell of a good time, especially if they're going to join you. And you don't have to fake being in a good mood and, drink coffee, have 4 energy drinks, and then whistle zippity doo out that cute little bum of yours. But be pleasant and post things that are not so darn, here's a picture of a Live Good person drinking protein, vanilla protein powder. Okay. And it's off our website, off Live Good's official website. Okay. I don't know if that's going to really get people's attention, but if it does work, awesome. But be yourself and come up with a funny angle, or I don't know. My God, I've got a Farrah Fawcett Funko Pop doll, the famous poster where she's sitting on the blanket, or that blanket's hanging in back of her. Okay, I could just do something funny with Farrah right now. I just want to give her a kiss because I love Farrah. Rest in peace there, girlfriend. My God, Halloween is coming up. And I bought a doll that looks at me 24 hours, 360 days a year. But look, I bought sexy stripper Jasonette. Her name is Jacine. But look at that. She's sexy. She's got a cute little bum. Look at that thing. It's just sticking out there. Hello now. But I could do an hour-long video just about this young thing. Look at that little cutie. Can you see her? Sometimes the webcam kind of gets shiny, but yeah, I bought this doll. It was probably made in China for like 3 cents, and I'm too embarrassed to tell you how much I actually paid for this. And I'm pretty sure I'm the only one on planet Earth that buys a stripper Jacine. Bet your ass. I'm going to buy 5 of them. Okay. So what's the secret? Being consistent. Just have a good attitude. Do your best to do an email, do a social media post. If you can make some business cards, please just don't talk about Live Good too long. Just get a domain name. Go to GoDaddy.com. I bought joincory.com. I forward it to a capture page, which you'll see. Just go to this domain, and that whole website that you can see, you're going to get the same one that I have for $9.95 a month, or if you have $99.95, $100, you're done. $40 one time for life, and you're an affiliate. You now have the privilege or the right or the opportunity to earn some darn money by just screwing off and having a good time. If I can do this, guys, I've only been doing this a year and a half, and I'm born in the 60s. Okay, I am not an affiliate network marketing guru. Okay, but I know how to make money. A lot of it. And I know how to have fun with Live Good. And I'll tell you everything that I do. I don't charge for information. All that I do is show you the systems or the software or the techniques that I use to get people to look at not just Live Good, but 5 other businesses that drive traffic to Live Good. And they're all affiliate opportunities. I make a real good living right now every 30 days. And I want you to do the same. I don't care if you have experience or not. If you have 0 experience, it's probably better. You're not going to have old school techniques that you heard Grandpa do in the 50s and 60s, and Mrs. Tupperware of the month in the 70s, and Mr. Herbalife and New Skin in the 80s. Isogenics, Mona V. Oh my God, Mary Kay. She's still around? Those damn pink Cadillacs. Okay? You guys, let's keep it simple. I want you to go to joincory.com. Just join the damn company. We have thousands of people a day joining, and they can only join under affiliates like me. You need to get in my group. We need to start building downlines over the next year or 2. We already have almost 7 million people in the company in less than 2 years. Every year, another million, another million, another million. Okay, it's just going to get bigger and bigger. People are going to duplicate like mofos. But get your butt in now. Guys, it's $10 a month. Give me a break. Okay? You can do this. We're going to have fun. Okay? My job is done. And now I got to go pee. And I'll wash my hands maybe. Maybe. But maybe I won't. Okay, guys. You get a hold of me. Cory at CoryDraper.com, or go to my Facebook page and inbox me. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Arrivederci. Adios, amigos and amiga. Bye.